Hey, good morning guys and girls. So today we're going to be putting this bad boy on there. That's right, that says EcoBeast. We're going to be replacing the Ford stock EcoBoost logo. So what we're going to do first is we're going to heat up the actual logo or decal with this. This has been preheated. This is a heat gun. I put this tip on there to try to narrow the actual heat flow. So we're going to try to heat this up just a bit. It's actually getting pretty warm already. The heat should just allow that glue to release. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take common monofilament fishing line. I think this is about a 6 or an 8 pound. Wrap it around your hands. And we're going to see if this works. So that's the factory EcoBoost. That's the new EcoBeast logo. And I'm going to give a shout out to these guys if this thing stands up for, we'll give it a month or two. A little nervous about it, to be honest, but the price was right and it was a Canadian seller. So we're going to give it a shot. What we're going to do first is we're going to try to clean up some of this glue using a plastic scraper. And to try to make it easier, we're going to add a little bit more heat to it. You never want to leave the heat in one spot for too long. I can already smell the glue. This is particularly important if this was an actual painted surface, but this being aluminum or stainless, I'm not sure what it is, to be honest. It's a little bit more forgiving. We use obviously the plastic scraper to stop it from scratching. Still got some residue on there, so we'll heat it up one more time. And that's literally everything we're gonna get with that. So we're gonna try following it up, a little bit of lacquer thinner. Lacquer thinner is good at removing glue, sticky stuff. I really don't think we're gonna get it all. Lacquer thinner actually worked at it pretty good. It is really sticky stuff. You can see it's just taking that right away. I like to flip this inside out. So the sticky stuff is now on the inside. And there's still a little bit of heat on this panel, which is actually helping the removal of some of that glue. Nice thing about lacquer thinner too is it evaporates very quick, gives you a nice clean surface. So as you can see, there's just the absolute remnants of, it's either the fading of this compared to the clean piece underneath, but there's actually no glue on there, it's not sticky. So we're going to take this now, we're just going to line it up basically with the old spot. I like that location. The heat that's still in this panel here, it's going to actually help stick this a little bit better. I wish it was just a little bit bigger, but I'm quite happy with it. So as you can see, new logo, just a hint. It's actually not sticky. I think it's actually just literally the fade line between the old and the new. This was the existing. You can see that it was starting to peel a little bit. So like I said, I'll give a shout out to these guys. Like I said, they're a Canadian company. I like to support local. I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. You didn't like my video, you didn't like my video taking abilities, whatever, comment, thumbs down, not gonna hurt my feelings. Until the next one, guys and girls, take her easy.